This topic is called evaluating a piecewise defined function. So what we're going to have is we're going to have some function, and it can call it whatever letter it wants. This one is called letter h, that is defined on some interval. So this interval includes the point -2 because it has the closed or the bracket parentheses, and then on this side it does not include the 2. So this would be an open circle at the 2, a closed circle at the -2. But what happens is it's h of x equals a constant. So those are going to be, if you think y equals -2, that would be a horizontal line down 2 from the x-axis. But this is only from the interval -2 to -1. This line at -1 would only be from x being -1 to 0. It would be at the point 0 if 0 is between 0 and 1, and at the point 1 if x is between 1 and 2. So what it wants you to do is it wants you to take h of -2. So if the x was -2, you come over here and you find where the x would fall if x is -2, and that would be right here because it actually does include, because it says or equal, it has that or equals line. So if x is -2, then the y value, or the h of x, would be -2. So this would equal -2. If h is -0.25, so -0.25 is -1/4, that falls between 0 and -1. It's right in the middle, so it's going to be, in this middle between 0 and -1. So my h of x is going to equal -1. If h is 1, the 1 would fall here because it's or equal to 1. It would not fall in this range because that does not include the point 1 because it does not have this line underneath here. So if x is 1, then this h of 1 would be exactly 1. We always are going to look here to see what the x values are, and then find where it falls in this function here, and then plug it into this formula here. This example that I'm doing does not have any x's, but let's say this top one, instead of it being -2, was -2x plus or minus 4. So then all you would do is take the h of -2, and you would plug in x is -2 and figure out what that value is. So this would be 4 minus 4, so this answer would be 0, and I would put 0 in this answer here. So if it actually has an x here, you're just going to plug it in. Thank you very much.